Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you have read the title of this video, I'm doing a giveaway. So if you guys want to participate on this giveaway, what you're going to be doing is just like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends, family, and you can also share this video to your Instagram, or if you are using Facebook, you can also share this video to your Facebook story or feed, share it as post or maybe. So after that, you go to the comment section and comment done, and get a chance to win a hoodie. So let's go and do this now. Okay, I love you all. Bye. So one of my Facebook friend asked me a question, and he said, "Pin iki video ba pisyad bro na marki video cho pikiling kat palap." Ngan so ang fi begitu videos ba PE kini tang ki TikTok videos and reels. So kini tang seconds and killing cut dia. Jadi kita killing cut but ngam la man upload video mga shot dan ngam dang shot. So let's try so to ki ngan upload video ki ba kham jrong. Tang ba so ba fini pilot. Full right. Nice skip. Most of you guys we skip the video fi tang seconds si flash skip na file pin show. So going to upload challenges video, prank videos and vlogs. Can come wrong, but it's going to have feel it, fin it again.